So hi everyone, now I'm going to show you an update of these marigold seeds that I have sown about a month ago. So if you have seen my last week video, I have actually all the seeds I have sown in this planter. It's just one, but from this planter, when they were it was about 1 week ago, I took the seedlings and I have separated just to make sure that they have enough space into these individual planters. I have just planted 2 to 3 in each of these nursery pots, and they are doing pretty good, and all of them have actually survived the transplantation. I thought maybe I would lose a few, but someone told me that these plants will really tolerate transplanting very well. So all of them are doing good, and I did not have enough of these pots. So I have just shifted some into these planter. This did not have a drainage hole, but I was just being cautious about the amount of water that I am using, and even these are also doing good. So if you see, I have been placing this pot in this direction, so this side was getting enough sunlight and this side were a little bit in shade. Compared to this side that is in the shade, this side the growth is pretty fast. So I'm just going to shift this one to the other side, so that now these ones are also catching up and receiving the good amount of sunlight. So that's how it looks on these. So maybe even this one I will try to bring this one is close to the window, so this is growing a little bit fast, so I will just shift this one here. And so I'm using this saucer, so I'm doing bottom watering just to avoid over watering, and I'm just watering it when this topsoil is dry. I'm just watering in the saucer, so the pots will absorb the water, and that way it is also easy. So I don't have to water each pot individually, just water this saucer and it will be enough. And even with this pot, the same thing. I will just shift it. I think we have to just rotate it in some time in a while, like every 2 days or 3 days, so that all of them have good sunlight and are growing properly. Even for this plant I have this saucer, so I'm watering in the saucer, and this one has actually a lot of soil. So next time what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some container like this that is shallow and wide, instead of taking a container like this for seeds which is more deep, to avoid the overwatering, because it does not need this much of soil. Something like this will be better than something like this. So that's it. I think now it's 1 month approximately, and maybe in 1 more month, by the end of the next month, I hope at least some of these will start to produce flowers. I have not been using any fertilizer. I'm just using the soil, the potting mix for blooms. I'm using just the soil, and they are doing great. That's it. Thank you for watching.